let me show you around my house, okay? So, this is my little playroom here. Here's my playroom. My piano. Ooh. Here's my cat again. My guitar. My flute that I'm playing. Well, it's just the box, so. This is the art room. Living room. My mom's work room. Oh, sorry. Picture stuff. The dining room. Kitchen. Outside. Kitchen. Now we're gonna head off to my room. Well, bathroom. My mother's room. And my father's. Now, Charlie is my hamster. And that, I heard Justin Bieber. If you guys hate Justin Bieber, lay off. Start loving him. And Hazel's sister by Trey. Welcome. Hey, yeah, if you guys hate Justin Bieber, lay off. Start loving him. Whoa, again. Whoa. Wow. Okay. So this is my room. I will show you around. My bed. It is 11:56 a.m. A.M. and it starts today. What's the A.M.? A.M. Water bottle. Ooh, princess. Clothes, socks, PJ, more clothes, gymnastics, volleyball. I'll show you my hamster Charlie. Hang on. Where's my Charlie? There she is. Here's my Charlie. Here's my Charlie baby. There's my Charlie hamster. His name is Charlie. If you guys haven't noticed, we are the loving couple. Loving. Charlie! Say bye-bye. You will go in my... Oh! Now she's gonna cage. There, my Charlie. Where is she? There, my Charlie. Say bye-bye. My closet. I have a lot of clothes. My closet. You guys, I'm so tired. So, please subscribe me. I would love that. Oh my god, I would love that, okay? Thank you. Subscribe. Up there. Please subscribe.